Running a med spa is all about helping clients look and feel their best. But managing leads, scheduling appointments, and following up can take valuable time away from your core services. That's why we've created a GoHighLevel GHL automation workflow template tailored specifically for med spa owners. This solution automates your client acquisition process, streamlines scheduling, and ensures every client feels cared for without adding more to your plate. Here's how it works. Lead capture. The system automatically collects leads from your website, social media, and ads, storing them in the GHL CRM so you never miss an opportunity. Automated follow-ups. Once a potential client reaches out, the system sends personalized follow-ups via email or SMS, answering their questions and encouraging them to book an appointment. Appointment scheduling. With an easy-to-use booking system, clients can schedule treatments directly online, making the process seamless and convenient for them and your team. Automated reminders. Clients receive appointment reminders automatically, reducing no-shows and last-minute cancellations while keeping your schedule running smoothly. Post-treatment follow-ups. After their visit, the system follows up to collect feedback, encourage repeat bookings, and promote additional treatments or packages. This automation workflow template is designed to save you time, enhance your client experience, and grow your med spa. With lead management, follow-ups, scheduling, reminders, and post-visit engagement all handled automatically, you can focus on delivering exceptional care. Ready to attract more clients and streamline your med spa operations? Click the link in the description below to download the full automation workflow template for GHL and start transforming your med spa today. Don't wait, automate your success now.